Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14, and today I'll show you how we can back up your data, or well, your entire phone basically. So to get started, we'll need to either use a Mac or Windows for this. If you're planning to use a Mac, you don't need to do anything extra apart from just grabbing a cable, but if you're using Windows, you will need to download iTunes. So you can get iTunes from a Windows Store. That's the easiest way, and I think at this moment the only way. And once you have it, just open it up. And on the Mac, like I said, don't do anything, just plug in your phone to your computer, obviously. Connect it. And in both cases, we'll get the iPhone cannot be synced to unknown whatever. It's backing it up anyway. So there's an automatic backup, as you can see right now, and that is happening. Now this is normal, and I'm assuming on Mac OS this will also be a thing. Though, just to clarify this, Windows uses iTunes, Mac does not. On the Mac you just open up your Explorer, or Finder as it's called there, and once you open up Finder you'll see your phone on the side. Click on it, and instead of seeing something like I do, so internal storage, you would see this page. So once you have this open, as you've seen on iTunes, you just click right here. You will select Backup Now. Now you have two different ways of backing it up, either to an iCloud or to your computer. Choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna stick with the computer. I think there might be a problem right now that I can't make a backup. I don't know why. To the iCloud. You know what, I'm gonna try. Anyway, so select whichever one you want and then select Backup Now. It's gonna start backing it up. Now this might take longer the more data you have on your phone, so keep that in mind. If you barely have anything on your phone, it should be pretty quick. And also additional info, if you're backing it up to your computer file, if you for instance keep music on your phone, this will increase the size of your backup, but if you only keep, for instance, apps and just nothing really, I don't know how to describe it. So normally apps would take space, right? On your phone, they obviously take up space. Even if you like look at here, you probably could see sometimes apps, if I would have any installed. And no matter how big these apps are, they do not count into the size of the backup, just because the way iTunes or just in general Apple backup works is if it's an app, it was most certainly downloaded from an app store, and thus when you're restoring it, it won't restore the application, it will just give info to the phone what it needs to re-download. So that is something to keep in mind. Now, as you just seen, this finished up some time ago, and that's basically it. You don't have any kind of info that it finishes up apart from this right here, so last backup and when it was created, so obviously a minute ago for me. And that's it. Then you can unplug your device and there you go, you have your backup. This one was done to the iCloud, so I could restore it later on without even the need of a computer. I can just do it by logging in and selecting restore through settings. But anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.